So you just watched your favorite Pinterest video, but you don't know exactly how to download and watch it offline. Don't worry, I am here to show you step by step how to download Pinterest videos easily. The process is completely the same for both iOS and Android devices. Let's get started. Open the Pinterest app on your device. Tap on the search icon. Now search for the video you want to download. In my case, I chose the beach video. Because I love beaches, I chose my favorite video, like this one here. Open it. There is no dedicated download button for videos, so we have to use this trick. Tap on the three bars on the screen and this menu will pop up. Click on the copy link right here to copy the link. Now close the app and open any web browser of your choice. I will be using Chrome. Search for Pinterest Video Downloader, then open pinterestdownloader.com. The link to the website is in the description below. Once the site is opened, paste the link here and click on the download button. Scroll a bit down and you will see Force Download Video. Click on it to download the video to your video gallery. Yes, we did it. If this tutorial was helpful to you, like and show your appreciation in the comments down below. Thank you.